Ever looked at a pile of discarded wood and wondered if it could be more than just trash? What if I told you that forgotten timber holds the secret to stunning, one-of-a-kind art? Join me as we transform what others throw away into captivating pieces that are both beautiful and good for the planet. Have you ever looked at a pile of discarded wood and wondered if it could be more than just trash? What if I told you that this forgotten timber holds the secret to creating stunning, one-of-a-kind art? Join me on a journey as we transform what others throw away into captivating pieces that are not only beautiful but also beneficial for the planet. Let's unlock the potential of driftwood and turn it into unique home decor that tells a story. Can you suggest some specific art decor items for the montage? Absolutely. Here are some specific art decor items you can feature in your montage. Driftwood wall art. Create abstract designs or natural landscapes using various pieces of driftwood. Candle holders. Showcase elegant driftwood candle holders that add warmth and ambience to any space. Picture frames. Highlight rustic picture frames made from driftwood, perfect for displaying cherished memories. Centerpieces. Feature stunning driftwood centerpieces that can hold flowers or other decorative elements. Shelves. Display unique wall shelves made from driftwood, combining functionality with artistic flair. Coat racks. Show off creative coat racks crafted from driftwood, perfect for entryways. Mirrors. Include mirrors framed with driftwood, adding a natural touch to home decor. Seasonal decor. Feature themed items like driftwood Christmas trees or autumn wreaths. Nautical decor. Highlight items like driftwood anchors, starfish arrangements, or beach-themed wall hangings. Functional art. Create items like key holders or wine racks that blend practicality with artistic design. Woodworking is more than just a skill, it's an art form that allows us to breathe new life into ordinary materials. In this journey of creativity, we'll explore how to transform discarded wood into stunning upcycling projects. From rustic furniture to unique home decor, the possibilities are endless. Join me as we unlock the potential of woodworking, turning everyday resources into extraordinary creations that not only beautify our spaces but also promote sustainability. Let's get started on this creative adventure. Here are some specific upcycling project ideas for beginners that are both fun and rewarding. 1. Driftwood wall art. Create a stunning piece of wall art by arranging various driftwood pieces into a unique design or pattern. Secure them with glue or nails. 2. Wooden pallet coffee table. Repurpose an old wooden pallet to make a rustic coffee table. Sand it down, add legs, and finish with a stain or paint for a polished look. 3. Wine bottle holders. Use small pieces of wood to create simple wine bottle holders. These can be functional decor pieces for your kitchen or dining area. 4. Picture frames. Craft picture frames from scrap wood. You can leave them raw for a rustic feel or paint them to match your decor. 5. Planter boxes. Build small planter boxes from reclaimed wood. They're perfect for herbs or small flowers and can be placed indoors or outdoors. 6. Key holder board. Create a key holder by attaching hooks to a piece of wood and adding a small shelf for mail or other items. 7. Candle holders. Make rustic candle holders by cutting wood into various lengths and drilling holes for tea lights or taper candles. 8. Wooden coasters. Slice logs into thin rounds to create unique coasters. Sand them down and apply a food-safe finish. 9. Floating shelves. Use reclaimed wood to create floating shelves for displaying books, plants, or decorative items. 10. Furniture restorations. Find an old chair or table and give it a new life with paint, new hardware, or a fresh coat of stain. These projects are not only beginner-friendly but also allow for creativity and personalization. Happy upcycling. What tools are essential for these beginner upcycling projects? Here's a list of essential tools for beginner upcycling projects, particularly focused on woodworking. Essential tools for upcycling projects. Measuring tape. For accurate measurements of wood pieces and ensuring proper dimensions for your projects. Square. Helps to ensure your cuts are straight and your angles are accurate. Saw. Hand saw. Good for simple cuts. Circular saw. More efficient for larger or thicker pieces. Jigsaw. Ideal for curved or intricate cuts. Drill. For making holes and driving screws. A cordless drill is versatile and easy to use. Screwdriver set. Necessary for assembling pieces and securing screws. Sander. Orbital sander. Great for smoothing surfaces quickly. Hand sandpaper. Useful for detailed work and finishing touches. Clamps. To hold pieces together securely while glue dries or during assembly. Wood glue. Essential for bonding wood pieces together. Look for strong wood-specific adhesives, paintbrushes or rollers, for applying paint, stain, or finishes to your projects. Safety gear. Safety glasses, protect your eyes from dust and debris. Dust mask, prevent inhalation of fine particles when sanding or cutting. Hearing protection, useful when using loud power tools. Optional tools for more advanced projects. Router, for adding decorative edges or hollowing out areas. Wood chisel set, for detailed carving and shaping of wood pieces. These tools will provide a solid foundation for tackling various upcycling projects and help you develop your woodworking skills. What are some beginner-friendly upcycling project examples? Here are some beginner-friendly upcycling project examples that are both fun and practical. 1. Driftwood photo frame. Description: use pieces of driftwood to create a rustic photo frame. Simply arrange the wood around a glass or acrylic sheet, securing it with glue. Skills used: measuring, cutting, and gluing. 2. Pallet garden planter. Description: transform a wooden pallet into a vertical garden planter by adding a liner and filling it with soil and plants. Skills used: measuring, cutting, and assembly. 3. Wine cork coasters. Description: collect used wine corks and glue them together in a circular pattern to create unique coasters. Skills used: cutting if necessary, and gluing. 4. Wooden bench from old logs. Description: use logs as the legs and a flat piece of wood as the seat to create a simple outdoor bench. Skills used: cutting, sanding, and assembly. 5. Mason jar wall sconce. Description: attach a mason jar to a piece of reclaimed wood with brackets to create a charming wall sconce for candles or flowers. Skills used: measuring, drilling, and assembling. 6. Bookends from heavy wood blocks. Description: use sturdy wood blocks or reclaimed wood to make stylish bookends. Sand and paint or stain them for a finished look. Skills used: sanding and finishing. 7. Door handle hooks. Description: remove old door handles and attach them to a wooden board to create a unique hook rack for keys or bags. Skills used: measuring, drilling, and assembly. 8. Upcycled wooden crates. Description: stack old wooden crates to use as shelves or side tables. You can paint them or leave them rustic. Skills used: arranging and finishing. 9. Wood slice serving tray. Description: use a large wood slice as a base, attaching handles on the sides to create a rustic serving tray. Skills used: sanding, drilling, and finishing.